Hi guys, welcome back to Devon Koi Pond. Apparently we've got some special visitors today. We haven't got to go who they are. And Martin's had us in complete fist talking about balls. Balls?
Hi, welcome down to Devon Koi Pond on not a very nice day. Bit blowy, bloody cold to be honest. Even the fish have got the hump. It ain't that bloody warm today. I've slipped in that intro there, unfortunately. I buggered the soundtrack up on it, on the external mic on the camera, didn't flick the power on it. Sorry Gary, but hope the overdubbing's okay. Right, anyway, down to the balls. Still not telling you what they're for, but I'm going to use these in a pond filter. Work that out. Right, I'll rattle you over to the finishing off of the final cleaning on the final filter clip, final filter box that going to do the last polishing of the water. I'll take you over to the last bit of welding on that in the shop and the fitting of it. As you can see, if there's a bit of wind on the mic, I've got the airy bugger on it. Hopefully it's not, but I'll take you over to that in a second. Alright, but if you haven't already, please smash like and subscribe, okay? Much appreciated. If you enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up. Got the pre-filters in, got a bit of filter wool on top of it at the moment. I'll give you a shot of that as well in a bit, just for that final polish, because of Gary coming round and Cazz will have a look. So fish sulking a bit, temperature down 5 degrees, it was over 17. Right, I'll whip you into the workshop in a minute and you can have a look at that. So here we are, back with the welding, and as you can see, hey, look at that one. Not that I'm one of these mug collectors, but I was greatly appreciative to get this one off of Leon at Budget Koi Keeping. Many thanks, mate. Nice cup of brew in it at the moment. Right, I finished the tacking up on this the other day. Gun's just warming up now, so I'm gonna do the welding on it. So let's have a go at this and see what happens. Nice to have some weight on it, stop it moving around. Still try not to burn my fingers, but I always do. Should have put a pair of gloves on. That's the way to do it. A few more welds like that. I've only got to do the 4 outside seams and the blocks I got resting on the bottom. I'll probably speed this up a bit while I go through it all. But let's get all of these done in a minute. so good on that one, but we can do the trick. We're back over it with a welder. Better. Keep the nozzle clean, always get the plastic off of it without burning your fingers. Yeah, that one's the worst weld so far. I'm trying to rush it a bit because I'm videoing it. Should be taking me time over it, but it doesn't need to be watertight, so okay, this is a little present for our visitor. As you can see, I can do round things here in the laser as well. It's engraving on a mug at the moment. Don't do mugs, so I've had a few trials here on a set of 6 that I bought, and I think I'm on trial number 3 at the moment. But when I get it sussed, I'll be able to knock these up. So personal mug for anybody that visits, limited edition. Cranston job. Now in the bottom here I've just got the two rests that what is still on. They're, to be honest, they're not going to come off. No, I'm not going to bother to weld them. So turn the heat down on the gun, as I said. Don't want the heat on, let it cool down properly. So nice muggly on, really nice. As I said, I'm not a mug collector, so don't pile them off to me. I don't hang them up, they're actually there for use. Right, while that one's cooling down, we'll get ready to pop outside a minute. So I'll be back with you in a minute, and we'll be outside ready to fit this thing. Okay, so here we are back again. Just get rid of the nozzles a minute. Don't know if I'll need them afterwards anyway. These are the sheets that are going in it. That's a beautiful fit. There's a hose here, but I want to space it off, so rings. So there we go. And it's resting on the bottom, so it's below the level of the, so it will one, two, there's 4 in there. I reckon I've got room for 2 more, which is a bonus. So what I want to do is, these here I cut a little bit big, but I want some more rings to go around here to give a better fit around the pipes. Because it's the holes I cut for the pipes are a little bit big and it's sucking water from the back as well. So we need to fix that. Also I need to get these back on, because if I don't, I get a sucking sound through the hose. not a down draw kind of thing. Pumps are only running at about 7,000 litres between the two pumps, 6,000 to 7,000 litres. That's quick enough for my pond. So there's that. As you can see, not inconvenient, but I've also got a frame that I've made that I'll get a second, because that I can wrap filter floss around. Yeah, I've also made this, which is a frame. I can wrap some filter floss around it, and that will go in. It's just small enough to allow the floss to come around the sides of it, so I can push that in there just for that final total polish when I get those visitors round. We do like visitors down here at Devoncoy. Right, let's get on with the rest of it here. Let's catch up with you in a minute. Okay, so here's the firing parting shot on that one. That's the bit of filter wool in on the top for when we have visitors. Put that in a couple of hours before. Just let it get the last little bit out. So that's working the treatment box. Well happy with that. So let's get on to the stepper mode. So there, that's that up and fitted. Lovely little addition that. Next week, well, balls. 100 balls. Another 100 balls. 200 balls. Martin, what are you going to do with 200 bloom balls? Well, you'll have to tune in next week and find out, alright? But koi pond, I'm going to use 200 plastic balls. Yeah, I'm going to use 200 plastic balls. Well, maybe 200 of them. We'll see how many I can get in there. But going to be using them, right? So, from down in not so sunny Devon here, terrible day today, hardly making any solar. But there, right. If you enjoyed the video, please smash us a thumbs up. If you haven't enjoyed the video, whop a thumbs down. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. You won't miss next week. And the balls then. Apologies to Gary for fluffing up the sound on the start of the video. Oh God, I must be up again. Sorry mate. I'll try and get you to do a dub over or something for it. We'll see if you can send us an email or a voice track for it. Yeah, that could work. We'll see if we can get away with that. If not, I'll whack up some subtitles on it. Or I'll do something. Right, it was lovely to have you here and your better half. Alright, hope you enjoyed yourself. Hope you've enjoyed yourself moving on to James's, because you're in for a treat there. But from over here at Devoncoy, bye for now and happy ponding.